there, little explorers. Welcome to our big vehicle puzzle adventure. Vroom, vroom. Let's get started.
Whoa, look at all these cool machines. I bet I can match the pink one first.
Not so fast, silly. We need to find the right silhouettes for our heavy-duty friends first. The clock. Welcome, everyone. What a beautiful sunny day to start our amazing puzzle adventure together.
Oh no, a big grumpy bulldozer is rolling in. Why is the sun crying, guys?
That's a bulldozer, a very strong machine used for pushing heavy dirt. But maybe he's just lost his way. Vroom, vroom! Look at him go, collecting those shiny gold coins on the rainbow path. Can you count them with me?
Yeah! Wow! Whoa! Did you see that? Our hard-working digger is changing shapes like magic. Poof!
The challenge and is celebrating with hearts. You all did such a fantastic job helping him today. See you next time, superstars. Welcome, everyone. It is a beautiful, sunny day in the park, and we have a super fun puzzle game today. Vroom, vroom! Look, our brave police car friend is patrolling the park. Uh-oh, where did that storm cloud come from?
Wait a minute. Did that police car just turn into a kitty cat? Meow beep beep.
That is so silly. It is a magic shape-shifting car. Keep your eyes peeled, everyone. Back to a police car. Beep beep. He is keeping our park safe and sound.
And poof, the cat is back. I think this car is playing hide-and-seek with us.
You are right. It is definitely a game. Let's see if we can catch it next time it appears. One more transformation. Wow, this puzzle is getting tricky. But I know you kids can solve it. Okay, team. Look at all these police cars. Can you point to the one that fits perfectly in the shadow?
Click. You found it. That police car fits like a glove. Great job.
Let's keep going. Which of these 4 vehicles is the right one to finish the silhouette? Ting! Spot on! You are becoming a real puzzle master today.
Look closely at the wheels. Does that one match? Let's try it out.
Fantastic choice! Everything is lining up perfectly now. We are on a roll. Only a few more to go. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3.
Boom! Another perfect match. You guys are too fast for me.
Stay focused. The last few are the most important ones to get right. Almost there. Just one more tiny push. You can do it! Ta-da! We did it! You solved every single puzzle. You are the best puzzle solvers ever. See you next time. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Are you ready for some super speedy shadow matching fun today?
Whoa, look at that fast-rolling fire truck zooming by. Where is his missing ladder piece?
Can you point to the screen and help us find it? Is it the square or the long one? Click! You found it! That ladder fits perfectly on our brave friend. Great eyes, team!
Beep beep! Now the hard-working digger is ready to scoop up some dirt. Let's count his big wheels together.
1, 2, 3, and 4! Wow! He is so strong and ready to build a new playground for everyone. You guys are absolute puzzle pros. Thanks for playing and being our awesome helpers today. See you next time!
Oh, God!
Welcome to the Desert Puzzle Challenge. Are you ready to solve some mysteries?
Whoa! Look at those cool military vehicles rolling into the sand dunes. Kapow! Boom!
Oh my, why does he look so surprised? Did he just see a giant puzzle piece fall from the sky?
Hey, that's not a puzzle. That's a space station landing pad. Wait! Oh, it is a game board.
Let's help our mighty transport van get its wheels back. Can you point to the round tire shape?
Amazing! Good job! Nice!
Click! That fits perfectly. You're doing great. Keep going. We've got more parts to find.
No. Nice. Oh, God!
Is that the rocket launcher? It needs its top piece. Where could it be hiding, friends?
Nice. Nope. Good job.
We did it! You are puzzle masters. Let's dance and celebrate this victory together. Hooray! Welcome, puzzle explorers. Buckle up for a high-speed adventure with our brave police monster truck crew. Vroom, vroom!
Whoa! Everything just went kaboom and turned into floating parts. Did a giant magnet do that?
Oh my God!
Speed is totally shocked by these flying wheels. Can you count how many wheels are rolling past, little friends? Look at those parts dancing in the sky. It's like a magical vehicle construction party. Click-clack, everything is fitting together.
Check it out. The SWAT vehicle is coming together. And oh, look at that cute kitty watching the progress.
Our boyfriend was so confused. But look! The police monster truck is back and sending us hearts. Great work, team!
What?
That was an amazing assembly mission! Don't forget to like and follow for more fun puzzles. See you next time, superstars! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Are you ready to build some amazing construction machines today? Is that a road roller? Let's see if it fits the mystery shape.
Nope, not that one. Bummer. Let's keep looking.
Maybe this big dump truck is the one. Oh, the no sign says try again.
Watch out. Here comes the forklift with a heavy crate. Beep.
Not quite. That forklift is for warehouses, not our puzzle today. Look at that bulldozer. Is it our winner? Oh, still not it. Wait, the pieces are flying in. Click, clack, zoom. Let's build this mighty bulldozer.
Ta-da! Our strong bulldozer friend is ready to move some dirt. Vroom, vroom.
No. Oh my God!
Next up, our helpful dump truck. Let's snap these parts together. 1, 2, 3, go!
No!
Now, now for the road roller. Round and round it goes, flattening the ground perfectly. Last but not least, the forklift. Look at those sharp lifting forks go up and down.
Oh my God!
We did it! All our construction buddies are here to celebrate. You kids are absolute puzzle masters. High five, everyone.
You know what happened with the D-R-E.
Welcome, puzzle heroes. Today, our big construction buddies are rolling into town for a super shadow match.
Whoa, look at them glow. It's like magic. Zoom, zoom.
Everything is turning into silhouettes. Can you help me find where these missing parts belong?
3, 2, 1, go!
Is that the bulldozer's big scoop? Click! It fits perfectly. Great job, team.
I bet it's a giant spoon for eating ice cream. Wait, no, it's for digging dirt. My bad.
Look at that cement mixer spin. Round and round it goes, mixing up the magic for us. That mighty dump truck just got its bed back. Vroom, vroom, ready to carry a mountain of toys. Last one. The jolly garbage truck is all shiny and clean now. You did it! You're puzzle masters!
High fives all around. See you next time for more big engine fun, explorers.
Wow, look at that magical golden trail! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Oh no, our brave rescue vehicles are in a bit of a pickle. They need our help to get back on duty!
Maybe they're just playing hide and seek without their eyes. I'm great at hide and seek!
They aren't hiding. They need us to match their missing parts.
1.
Quick, get ready to help. 3, 2, 1. Let's solve this. Can you spot where these silly eyes belong?
I bet the heroic fire truck wants the blue eyes. Wait, that doesn't look right, does it?
Not quite silly. Let's find the perfect fit together. Point to the right ones, friends. Click! Perfect match. You're doing an amazing job helping our vehicle buddies.
Boom! Look at those fireworks. They're so happy. You saved the day.
You're a puzzle superstar! Thanks for playing with us today, and we'll see you for the next big mission! Hey everyone! Welcome to our big construction challenge. Get ready for some puzzle-solving magic.
Whoa! Did a dragon just turn our trucks into shadows? That's super spooky, guys.
Don't worry, we can fix it. Let's use our puzzle skills to bring those mighty machines back.
Look at those silhouettes! I bet that's a giant toaster hiding there.
Not quite, silly. That's our hardworking digger. Can you help us find its missing bucket? Drag that piece right into the slot. 3, 2, 1, click!
Boom! The digger is back in action. Vroom, vroom!
See that real-life excavator? It uses its powerful arm to
This is
scoop
an
up
excavator.
heavy dirt.
It has a long arm with a bucket to dig deep holes in the ground. Excavators help with digging and lifting heavy things.
Now, let's find the piece for our mighty dump truck. Where does the wheel go?
You found it! That dump truck
This is
ready
a dump
to carry
truck,
big
kids.
rocks now.
It carries things like sand or dirt. When it reaches the right place, the back goes up and everything slides out.
Nice.
Look who joined us. Michael Rosen is here to help us match these tricky parts.
This is the backhoe loader.
Amazing work today, Puzzle Masters.
This one's cool.
You've
It has a big
rebuilt the
bucket in
whole
front and a digging
construction
arm in the
crew.
back. It's like 2 machines in one.
You guys are total pros. High five for everyone. See you next time.
Whoa! Boom! Welcome to the beach, puzzle fans. Are you ready to help our brave police cars?
I hope they brought their swimsuits. Vroom! Let's get this mission started.
Look at those mysterious silhouettes. Can you guess which police car hides in the shadows?
Is it a giant pizza delivery car? No way. Definitely a super speedy police cruiser.
Not quite. Let's find the matching parts. Point to the screen and help us pick the right one.
Oops! That wheel doesn't fit. Try again, super sleuths. 3, 2, 1, search!
Don't worry, even heroes makes mistakes. Let's look closer at the shape. Does that curve match?
Maybe this one? Wait, that's a tractor car. Silly me! Keep looking, everyone!
Click! Yes, that piece fits perfectly. You are doing amazing work, detectives.
Oh my
Another
God!
one locked in. Our brave police car is starting to look super shiny now.
Look at!
We are on a roll. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Found the siren. Beep, beep. Does this go on the roof? You tell me.
That's exactly right. You have such a sharp eye. Only a few more pieces left to snap into place. Final piece coming in. Snap. The brave police car is finally ready for duty.
Boom! They look so cool! I wish I had a police car that could drive on the sand.
You solved it. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. You superstars! Look at those fireworks! Pop! Bang! Our police friends are celebrating your victory!
You were incredible today! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more puzzle fun. See you next time.
Hey there, puzzle explorers! Vroom vroom! Look at our bright yellow tractor cruising along the road today!
Uh-oh, stop the tractor! Who put that giant dirt pile? I think it's a mountain, right?
No, silly, that's just a big mess! Let's clear the dust away to see what we need to solve this. Here comes the hard-working digger. Can you do the digging sound with me? Chug chug clank! He's scooping up the dirt and loading the dump truck. Count the scoops with me. 1, 2, 3! Farm team. Look at our hard-working digger and the green harvester busy at work. Can you wave hello to them?
Whoa, watch that digger go. Is he trying to eat the hay? Nom nom nom!
Haha, not quite. He is carefully loading the hay into our mighty truck buddy. Everyone, count the bales with me. 1, 2, 3! Vroom, vroom! Our mighty truck is fully loaded and heading out. Where do you think he's going, friends? He's cruising through the beautiful countryside. Look at those green fields. Can you spot any cows hiding out there?
Beep, beep! Here comes the yellow forklift to help unload. He's super fast, isn't he?
He sure is! He works like a professional puzzle solver. Keep your eyes peeled, kids. We're almost done. Look at that perfect stack. Our digger friend is doing a fantastic job keeping the farm neat and tidy. Amazing teamwork, everyone! You solved today's farm puzzle. Hey there, puzzle explorers! Welcome to our monster-sized vehicle adventure. Vroom! Let's go!
Whoa! Why is everything turning so spooky? That cauldron is bubbling like crazy!
Oh no, hold on tight! A giant tornado is spinning everything around.
Haha! Look at those silly cats. They are just as surprised as I am.
Time to solve the mystery. Can you find the silhouette that matches our jolly garbage truck?
Ready? Go!
Oops! That piece doesn't fit. Don't be sad, little friend. Let's try a different shape instead. You did it! Snap! That piece fits perfectly. Look at them dance with joy.
No.
Meow! Even the cats are impressed with your matching skills today.
No.
Keep going. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I bet the next piece goes right there. Wait, maybe not. Let's see if the audience knows.
Almost there. Just one more piece to complete our mighty water tanker friend. Ta-da! You finished the puzzle. That cat is doing a victory dance just for you. You are a master puzzle pro! Thanks for playing, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun! Welcome Welcome, explorers. Put on your hard hats because we have a wild construction adventure today. Vroom, vroom.
Oh no! The crane and the digger just went boom! Did they run out of fuel, Post-A?
Not quite, silly. They are just getting ready for our super-duper shadow matching challenge. Look at these mysterious shapes. Can you spot which hard-working digger belongs in that silhouette?
Nope. I think the cement mixer goes in the square hole. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Nice try, but let's look closer at the curves. Point your finger at the screen to help us guide it in.
No.
Click! Perfect match. You are absolute puzzle masters, everyone. Give yourselves a giant round of applause.
We did it! Thanks for building with us today. Smash that like button and subscribe for more fun.
Hey everyone, grab your detective hats because we are on a mission with SpongeBob today.
Is he looking for a sandwich? Oh wait, it's a super cool police truck. Beep beep!
This brave police truck needs his gear back. Can you help us pick the right fender? It's puzzle time.
Ready?
Maybe the bright pink one? No? How about this neon green one? Vroom vroom!
No.
Not quite, silly. Let's look at the shape. Which one fits perfectly into the empty space? You found it! That blue fender is a perfect match. Click! Now, let's find those wheels.
Try the big ones. Wait, those are too tiny. Let's count them together.
no.
1, 2, 3, 4 wheels.
No!
Look at that! She's cheering because we got them all on. Great teamwork, everyone. Wow, look at him zoom away. He's changing colors like magic. Ta-da!
Nani? Our new police car is on the scene. Point your finger at the screen to help us choose the next piece.
Is it the yellow piece? No, that's for a tractor. Let's try the matching blue one.
No.
She's so happy. We are almost done. Can you shout go when the final wheel clicks into place? Oh no!
Boom! Fireworks! You did it, Puzzle Masters. You're the best helpers ever. See you next time.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Magical sparkles are dancing over the desert. An adventure awaits us today.
Whoa! Are those silhouettes of a police van and a truck? Maybe they are secret spy vehicles.
Not quite, silly. These are our brave police friends waiting for their gear. Let's get them ready for duty.
1,
Click!
go!
Look at that door snap right into place. Can you point to where the wheels go, kids?
I bet the wheels go on the roof. Am I doing it right?
Haha, not quite. Wheels need to be at the bottom to help our police van roll. Vroom vroom. Look at them glow. Our brave police van and pickup truck are fully assembled and ready to go. They look so shiny. Great job helping them get ready, everyone. Give yourselves a big high five. Boom! Fireworks for our heroes. Thanks for clicking.